Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.